Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove seats in Honda Odyssey Easy Guide. Begin by moving the seat fully forward, prying off plastic seat track covers, and removing visible bolts using a socket set. Next, disconnect any electrical plugs and seatbelt anchors, then tilt and lift the seat out with a second person to avoid damage and labeling. Keep hardware organized and note bolt locations for reinstallation. Start by clearing the area and gathering a socket set, trim tools, and gloves. Slide the seat to access both front and rear bolts, then remove track covers to expose fasteners. Unplug any electrical connectors after disconnecting the battery and keep connectors labeled. Use a magnetic tray or labeled bags for bolts and hardware. Lift the seat with a partner, watching for seatbelt anchors and wiring harnesses as you guide it out. Quick recommendation: if you like convenient reading during long projects, check the Kindle Paperwhite seen here. It's easy to hold and bright in sunlight. If this guide helps, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel and future content. Look in the description for the product link and other deals, and use those links to support upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Always prioritize safety. Disconnect the battery and wear gloves to avoid cuts. Check under carpets and trim for hidden bolts or clips before applying force. Inspect rails and sliders, removing rust or debris and lubricating if needed to ensure smooth movement. Label connectors to simplify reconnection and verify each electrical function before final torque. Take photos during disassembly to make reassembly easier and avoid pinched wires when placing the seat back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.